welcome back to my channel SAP PPQM. So today's topic is repetitive manufacturing process in SAP. So this is our 16th episode. So repetitive manufacturing process, as earlier said, like in SAP we have three different manufacturing process. One is discrete, second one is repetitive, third one is process. Okay, so discrete manufacturing we have discussed, like what are the master data and what are the strategies we are going to use in discrete manufacturing. All the steps we have completed. So now it's time to learn about repetitive manufacturing process. So as I said, it is a period based planning. Okay, so the manufacturing process, the machineries which we are going to use for certain time of period, okay, around for 6 months or 1 year we are going to use same machines, same components, okay, same final product. So in that situation we are going to uh, tell that this manufacturing process is called repetitive manufacturing, and it is a period based manufacturing. So whereas discrete manufacturing is a based on production order, the manufacturing process will be executed. Okay, let's discuss about master data part. From so the master data point of view, we have the same like material master. So first of all, repetitive manufacturing means like it is a period based manufacturing process. Okay, and whereas master data, so first one is material master, the same. Okay, material master. Second one, bill of material. Third is work center. So fourth one, here we are using rate routing. Okay, so in discrete manufacturing we have used routing, but here we are using rate routing. The rate routing T code is CA21 for create, okay, and for change CA22, for display CA33, and here we use production version. So either in MRP 4 view or C223. Okay, so here in Metal Master, the difference in discrete and repetitive manufacturing, in Metal Master we need to add repetitive manufacturing profile in MRP 4 view. Okay, so whereas in discrete manufacturing we are not using any repetitive manufacturing profile in MRP 4 view, but here in MRP 4 view the REM indicator should be update. Okay, REM indicator active REM indicator required active, and REM profile need to be update. Okay, so normally in discrete manufacturing we are not using any REM indicator or REM profile, but when you use in Metal Master in repetitive manufacturing, we need to activate this REM indicator and REM profile. Okay, because there will be some configuration steps is there, why we are using this REM profile in Metal Master for repetitive manufacturing. So there are few steps are there, like why we are using this REM indicator and REM profile in Metal Master. Okay, so those configuration steps I will show you in SAP screen. So master data point of view, these are the master data like material master, bill of material, work center, rate routing and production version. Okay, so I will share my SAP screen and we will discuss one by one. Okay, okay. So now we are in SAP screen. So if I go to, I have already created one material master. So if you want how the material master is going to create in SAP, you can watch my previous videos so that you will get idea how we are going to create a material master. But as of now, I have already created a material master. So I am directly going in MM02 screen. Okay. So my material is, one second. Yeah. So this is my material master and I have selected these are the default views in my SAP screen. These are the plant parameters and organizational, sales organizational. And if we go to MRP4 view, so here you can see I have activated the repetitive manufacturing checkbox here. Okay, because this metal is going to use in repetitive manufacturing process, and I have activated this checkbox and I have assigned the repetitive manufacturing profile. So if you want what are the parameters are inside available inside this profile, so you can go to SPRO also, or else if you want to go from this screen, then you need to click on F1, the function key, and F1. So here you can see the checkbox is there, not the checkbox. Here one icon is there like customization. So click on that. Continue without specifying project. Okay. So here this is our repetitive manufacturing, and here define repetitive, because it is the this repetitive manufacturing profile 0002 is already defined. So I am using this second line like define repetitive manufacturing profile. Select the line item, click on continue. So it will navigate to the same SPRO screen. So if you want to go by SPRO, then you need to click on SPRO, then SPRO IMG reference, and here we have production, and here we have repetitive manufacturing. So below the production we have repetitive, and below the repetitive we have like control data. So in control data we have defined repetitive manufacturing profile. Click on execute. So this is the repetitive manufacturing profile which we have assigned in the material master level. So go to details. So you can see these are the three tabs are available. So one is control data one, like whenever you do the GR posting, then automatically GA also will be carried out. Okay, but whereas in discrete manufacturing process, we are going to assign in uh, like metal master level like auto backflash, and we are assigning in control key or production scheduling profile for GR posting. But whereas in repetitive manufacturing we are directly assigning in the REM profile. Okay, so this checkbox is activated, and these are the backflashing related parameters which we are updated here. Okay, in controlling data like uh, reduce the plan order assigned to the version, like you can see the firming logic, like firming indicator means, so if plan order is created and is there any changes are done in that planning in the plan order, in that situation the firm indicator will generated, and this firm indicator is generated means in the next MRP the plan order will not change, okay, from the MRP run, because the manually changes are done and there will be no effect with the MRP run also. And these are the create plan order when reversing. Yeah, so if you have done one plan order is created and you have done the GR posting, and when you reverse, then the same uh, plan order quantity should be get reversed when you do the reversal of the document, okay, material document. So these are the parameters which we have activated. And the movement types, like in this repetitive profile, which type of movement types are allowed, those settings we have updated, okay, like for goods issue 261, goods reversal 262, and whereas goods receipt in discrete manufacturing we have 101 movement for goods receipt and 102 for reversal, but here in case of repetitive manufacturing 131 is a movement type and 132 movement is for reversal, and scrap like 551. These are the movement types which we have updated in the REM profile, okay. So now the same profile we have used in our material master also. And so the as master data point of view, in the material master MRP 4 view you need to activate repetitive manufacturing, and REM profile also you need to update. And we have a production version also. So production version, as earlier I told, like for making one final product, if we have more than one bill of material and routing, in that situation we are going to use a production version. So in repetitive manufacturing we need to use production version with repetitive indicator as well, okay. You can see the repetitive manufacturing indicator also updated. If I click on details, so here you can see this is the production version details. So here I have already created rate routing, so that is why the rate routing is also get updated. And we have repetitive manufacturing indicator updated, we have BOM also updated. So you can see the check status is green color, so it means there is no issue in the manufacturing of this material and rate routing, okay. So for creating rate routing, the T code is CA21, and if you want to view, then go to CA23, okay, display. So this is the metal master part, guys, and now I will save this metal. And if you want to go bill of material CS03, click on enter. So you can see for making engine oil I required semi-finished oil also, and for making semi-finished oil we have one more checkbox is activated for sub-assembly level. So if you double click on continue, there is a one raw material is available for making one semi-finished product, and there is no one more sub-assembly because the checkbox is not active. So if you want how the bill of material is created, how the material master is created, so you can watch my previous videos so that you will get to more idea about how I have created this bill of material. So now rate routing also I have created, so I will go to CA23. So the rate routing and routing is same, but the difference is in rate routing we don't have any alternative sequence because we have only parallel sequence here, whereas in routing we have both alternative and parallel sequence. So here plant is 1000, enter. So here you can see I have already created the rate routing. That is the reason you can able to see the operation is allocated, and work center also I have created. The control key parameters all are available. So if I go to sequence, you can see there is no alternative sequence. When you go to discrete manufacture like routing level like CS02, there you can see alternative sequence also, but here we have only one sequence type, that is parallel sequence. Now go back. Here you can see the usage is one, status is release. Okay, the creation of rate routing is same as routing only. So I am not going to create a new rate routing. Okay, now so the master data point of view I have showed all these parameter, and the configuration parameters also I have shown for repetitive manufacturing profile. Now there is no demand is there. So what I will do, I will create a demand for this final product, and I will run the MRP. Then I will show you the remaining process. Okay, the production execution process, how it is there in repetitive manufacturing, I will show you. Okay, so to create a demand we need to go to MD61 T code and enter the final product, hit enter. Okay, so in the March month I required 100 piece, 100 okay, 100 quantity, and in April I required 200, in May I required 300, in June I required 400. So like this way I have updated the demand in MD61. Once the demand is created, check the stock requirement list. I have refreshed, you can see the independent requirements get generated. Now I will run the MRP. Okay, MD02 T code, enter that material plant, net change indicator. So in net change indicator also I have told like that the material which are undergoes any recent changes. Okay, like any changes are done in this metal master, then what will happen, net change indicator will generated. So those materials is considered when the MRP run is carried out. Okay, that is the reason I have using net change indicator. So if this metal, how we can see whether this metal is having planning file entries are created or not. So in MD21 T code you can check these metal having planning file entries or not. Okay, MD21 is a T code, and if you click on execute, so you can see I have both net change and net change in planning horizon, both indicators get activated because I have done the changes in the metal master. So whenever you do the changes in metal master, what will happen, the net change indicator will generated. Now what I will do, I will run the MRP. Okay, once I will run the MRP, what will happen, the system will remove these net change indicators. Okay, so let me run the MRP. Now I will save. So once it is saved, you can see there are 3 purchase requisitions created, and yeah, so below you can see the semi-finished product, raw material, all the below sub materials also get generated. Now if I go to planning file entries, click on refresh, so you can see the net change indicators are removed automatically when you run the MRP. Okay, now we will check the requirement in MD04. So you can see I have already the plan of the stock is available. So when the MRP is run, then the system what it will do, the LSF quant, the independent requirement which is I have provided in March, it is already calculated, and the next requirement plan order get generated. Okay, so because for the March month the plan order is not generated because we have already the available quantities there. So that is the reason, because for this metal I have a stock in plant level, and I have given this requirement in March month, so it is considered the open requirements. Okay, open available stock, and it is reduced to 100, then it shows that 0 quantity is available. Now the next independent requirement I have given as 200. So that is the reason the 200 requirements are generated, like plan orders are generated. Now what is difference in repetitive and discrete manufacturing is when the plan order get created and we are going to convert into production order in discrete manufacturing. But whereas in repetitive manufacturing, we cannot convert the plan order to production order. So if you see, if I double click, you cannot see those indicators which we can see in discrete manufacturing process. Like there will be plan order to production order indicator, there will be process order, partial production order indicator also will be there. Okay, but here there is no plan order to production order indicator is available. So what we need to do is we need to uh, convert this plan order. We cannot convert the plan order, but against this plan order we are going to do the GR process and the production execution process we are doing. So through which T code we will do? We will do in MFBF. Okay, so MFBF is a T code where you need to enter the plan order number here. Click on enter. Okay, because we have using make to stock scenario, that is the reason I have entered this make to stock view. In this make to stock view I have given the plan order number, so which is the same number is available for this dependent requirement 200 quantity. And if you go to, so if you go check here, the 200 quantity generated, and the automatically the material number, plant, okay, location, everything will be get automatically updated when you enter the plan order. So now what we need to do is we need to post this plan order quantity. So how we can post? When you click on save, what will happen? The system will automatically do the GI and automatically do the GR as well, because in the repetitive manufacturing profile which we have used in this material, so that material uh, which will consider automatically GA and GR will be done, okay, in background level. So if you if you click on save, the system will automatically, like bomb explosion will be done. And if you can see, it will ask that, okay, there is no storage location I have entered for this semi-finished product. So that is the reason it is showing that no, there is no error is there. So if I click on continue, so here I need to give the storage location, enter. So once the storage location is updated, now again click on save. Okay, so here, okay, so there is no stock is there, that is the reason it is showing that for this semi-finished product there is no stock for 200 quantity. So I will check how much stock is there for the semi-final, because 200 quantity is I have given the plan order quantity, but the 200 quantity is required for the semi-finished product, but currently there is no that much of stock is available for SFG. Now if I check the stock, so there is no stock is there, so that is the reason it is saying that there is no stock. So what I will do, I will bring the stock first. Okay, so CO0, sorry. So we need to convert the purchase requisition into purchase order first of all. Because this raw material is available, then only I can produce the semi-finished product. Okay, so that is the reason I am giving this raw material product. I mean, I am converting the raw material purchase requisitions. So converting purchase requisition to purchase order. The T code is ME21N. Okay. Now I will check the quantity. So if everything is fine, it will give that item is checked. Okay, there is no issue in. Now I will save this purchase order. So once I will save this purchase requisition, then purchase order number will generated. So once the purchase order number get generated, you can see the PO is generated. Now what we need to do is we need to bring the uh, purchase order to the goods receipt. Okay, so this purchase order is available. Now I will do the goods receipt. Suppose if you check the raw material, there is no stock is available for raw material also currently, and it is in order stock. Okay, currently we have purchase order, that is why it is showing as a order stock. Now I will do GR against the PO purchase order in MIGO screen. So here goods receipt against purchase order, enter the purchase order number, click on execute. Okay, store location give as 001, check on item. Okay, click on check. Okay, so everything is okay, document is okay. Now click on post. So once you click on post, the document get posted in MMBE for the plant level. Okay, document get posted. Now what I will do, so I will do the SFG. Okay, so I will do the SFG plan order. Okay, previously I am showing for final product. So what I will do, the same thing I will show in plan order for the SFG product. Okay, so we need to do now the raw material stock is available in our factory premises. So we need to give the raw material to this semi finished product. Now I will go to MFBF. Okay, MFBF, and I will enter the plan order number here. Continue. So the SFG product will be available here. Okay. So once the SFG product is available, so one thing, if you observe one thing, I will come back from this screen because I am not going to use the final product because I am showing for SFG level. So here what we need to observe is I have not given the auto backflash indicator for semi-finish or the raw material. Okay, even though if you not given the control key auto GR for the control key level, but still the system is doing auto GA and auto GR, it means because of the repetitive manufacturing profile which you have assigned for the material. So that is the reason the system is automatically doing the auto GI and the auto GR process. So if I click on post with confirmation, you can see we need to enter the storage location because 0001 storage location the stock is there. You can see 261 movement get updated. Now when I click on post, okay, when I click on save, then what will happen, the semi-finished product document will be posted. Okay, so you can see the gr and gi with document activity is posted. Okay, because the automatic gr also is done, automatic gi also is done in the background. Now suppose if I go for check in mmb for sfg material, you can see the 200 quantities available. So first we have bring the raw material to stock, and the raw material is consumed when you do the confirmation, like when in mfpf we have avoid the goods issue posting, we have avoid the confirmation posting, we have avoid the MIGOs for goods receipt also. So how we have avoid is by doing the repetitive manufacturing profile in the material master level we have assigned. So that is the reason we have automatically done the GI also, automatically done the GR also. So this is the one complete cycle for repetitive manufacturing. Okay, well, okay. Configuration parameter for REM profile. So where we can see SPRO, then production, and in repetitive manufacturing profile, sorry, repetitive manufacturing process, then control indicate control data, then define repetitive profile. Okay, so or else you can directly click on F4, sorry, F1, so you can see the customizing data. In that also you can directly go to define repetitive manufacturing profile. Okay, so in that you can see the parameters which are assigned in the REM profile. Okay, and so once we have checked the configuration parameter, we have created the material master BOM work center rate routing production version, then demand updated. So here we have doing the production execution process. Okay, like updating the demand, MD61. Okay, and run the MRP MD02, then convert the PR to PO. Okay, and do the PO to like purchase order to GR. Okay, or we can say GR against the purchase order. Okay, in MIGO. So once the raw material stock is available, then what we have done, we have not converting the plan order to production order, guys. Okay, here we have directly doing the confirmation for plan order. Okay, with T code MFBF. There when you do the save, I mean when you click on save, then automatically the raw material will be posted, like goods issue also done and goods receipt also will be done. Okay, so take the plan order number and go to MFBF and enter the planned order number So here I will write like note. Okay, there is no conversion of land order to production order. Okay. Now, so when you click on save, when you click on save, automatically the system will do goods issue of raw material and GR for SFG plan order. Okay, quantity, it's due to the REM profile which we were updated in Metal Master. Okay, so this is the one cycle. Okay, like I have shown for SFG only, but after that what we can do, like if SFG stock is there, so you need to take the semi-finished product plan order and go to MFBFT code, enter the final product plan order number, and when you click on save, then what will happen, the 200 quantity SFG part will be goods issue and 200 quantity final product plan order quantity will be posted. Okay, so here GR posting movement is different. Okay, is 131, and for reversal of the GR is 132. So this is one difference, like in discrete manufacturing GR posting is 101, but whereas in repetitive manufacturing 131 is posted for ZR quantity. And so this is the one cycle for repetitive manufacturing. But when you practice, how you need to do is like so you need to practice one way, like without serial number profile, activating the without serial number profile, you need to do the practice, and after you have thoroughly practiced without serial number profile, you need to assign the serial number profile. You need to practice with serializing material also, because when you practice with serial number profile, what will happen, when you click on save, then the serial number, because of that serial number profile, the system will ask the serial number should be get update for the material which you are going to post. Okay, suppose if you are posting 10 quantity, then you need to assign the 10 serial number for that material, and you need to do one total cycle, because I am showing for one cycle. Okay, but if you want to learn, then you need to practice in every way, like you need to assign serial number profile, you need to complete one cycle, and you need to do assigning batch management, and you need to do complete one cycle for batch management process also. So you will get more knowledge in SAP PP perspective. And batch management, auto GR is here we are using REM profile, so no need of that indicators. And you can do for make to order also, because you need to give the demand, sorry, you need to create a sales order. With reference to sales order, the plan order number will get generated. So how the process is done, carried out, I have showed the same thing here in while showing in discrete manufacturing process. So the same thing you need to practice in repetitive also. Okay, so I hope you understand this repetitive manufacturing process in SAP. So we'll meet next session, guys, with the process industry manufacturing process. Okay, so until that, take care, have a nice day.